What is the charge on a 250 microfarad capacitor if it's been charged to 12 volts? Okay, so C is Q over V. So Q is CV. So let's see, Q is 250 times 10 to the minus 6th, right, times 12. 250 E minus 6. So this is how big the capacitor is, right, times how much pressure you've used to push the charge into it, right, times 12. Let's see. That is 0.003 coulombs. Actually, we have 2 sig figs, right? Okay. Now you might ask, I mean, that is just a crap ton of charge, right? How does it possibly do that? And the answer is that in a capacitor, the charges are kept on these little plates, and they're very, very, very close to each other. To take this much charge and separate it, like part of it in Vermont and part of it in Wyoming, would take a lot of work. But to get it onto some plates that are so close to each other like that, it doesn't take that much work. Yeah, so that's how it's possible without a lot of voltage.